After the midterm facelift, Dongfeng Peugeot's new 508L first replaced the 1.6T version with the full 1.8T+8AT series. It also made obvious changes in the appearance details, ensuring that the model remains highly consistent with the overseas version. It has a more avant-garde appearance, which makes the new 508L more competitive. The first attraction of the new 508L is definitely its appearance. Compared to the overly conservative and family-style styling of the German and Japanese models, the new 508L looks more dynamic and radical. The unique inverted trapezoidal borderless wide-mouth grille has a gradient effect that adds a lot of sophistication to your interior decoration. With the lion logo in the middle, the overall design becomes more coordinated and offers beautiful visual beauty. It is worth noting that the front of the new car follows the general design of the overseas version, which is a great thing. The side of the car body of the new 508L has not changed much compared to the old model. It still has the smooth sliding rear roof design. The waistline extends from the front fender to the rear of the car, and the front and rear fenders have prominent protruding lines. The smart duck tail at the rear of the car and the dual exhaust on both sides also add sportiness. Moreover, the rear taillights are combined with a black decorative panel to create a highly recognizable crossover design. Although the interior of the new 508L has not changed much, it is the highlight of the new 508L compared to cars in the same class. After all, the title of the most beautiful interior at the 200,000 yuan level has been around before. Among them, all series are equipped with the latest iCockpit full-sensor cockpit with layered field of view and control area design, more suitable for driving habits. The central control part is equipped with a 12.3-inch full sensor. The LCD instrument cluster and 10-inch central control touchscreen, the piano-style physical buttons are also retained, and the gearshift is still available as a yacht-style electronic gear knob. The entire series adopts CLDR main-level chassis adjustment plus 5-link independent suspension, which is more suitable for Chinese road conditions and Chinese driving habits. You can't even feel the chassis, but you have to drive a French car to feel the unique charm of driving control. In terms of power, the 508L had two power options for consumers to choose from, 1.6T and 1.8T. Now the model has been simplified and only the most powerful 1.8T engine version has been retained. The new model is also the same as the old model. Consistently, the maximum output power is 155 kilowatts and the peak torque is 300 Nm. Paired with an 8-speed manual transmission, fuel consumption is 6.45 L per 100 kilometers under WLTC conditions. It is worth noting that the top model is equipped with AMVR variable independent suspension, and this feature is also offered as an option for mid-range models.